Hello, I'm Mehmet Can Soyluoğlu, and I'm working as a graduate research assistant at the Cyprus Dendrochronology Laboratory of the Cyprus Institute. In Dendrochronology Lab, we take samples from art historical and archaeological materials, as well as living trees. There are several methods we use to collect data, including core sampling, section cutting, and in some cases, if objects are too fragile to collect physical samples from, we use minimally invasive methods like scanning. On these samples come to our lab, we prepare them for analysis and record the metadata associated with the wood sample. Then we measure the tree rings using special equipment and measurement programs. This handheld microscope, for example, allows us to see the individual cells of the wood sample. We can then put the prepared surface of the wood sample on the scanner and run a special program that allows us to measure the tree ring sequences. This software creates graphs that can cross-match with an existing database of the tree rings. From these graphs, we can date our wood samples and the objects they come from, which provides concrete data on sampled wood objects. Along with different analytical approaches, the Cyprus Dendrochronology Laboratory contributes important information to the activities of the APAC labs that involve wood and cultural heritage.